Hello, she. Where are you now, she? Are you in your house or in your grandparents' house?
In my phone.
Oh, okay, you're in your house. That's great to know. What did you do today, she?
Good morning. I do you know one cook? I wake
Yes,
up. I
early.
wake up at four at 4:30.
Hmm. To watch World Cup.
I was to
Okay, who won? Who won the game, she? Wait, you don't understand? Let me share my screen and I will translate it for you. Who won the game? What?
England.
England?
Eng- England.
Okay.
In and they have to it's uh have England and French.
Oh, England and France. Oh, okay. Wait, let me see. Oh, England won. Okay, she. Thank you so much for sharing that. What about in the afternoon? Did you do something?
I play piano sometimes I I go to my English class.
Oh, okay. What a very productive day you have, she. Last night you went to the beach, right? Did you?
No, I go to restaurant.
Oh, just a restaurant. I see. Because your mom posted a video, but I'm not really sure if that was on the beach or in other place. Okay, so it's a restaurant. Okay, she. Now let us talk about body parts again. So can you tell me, she, what is it again?
Uh,
Wait, where is your iPad? Okay, yes, we have your head. Okay, this one is forehead. Yes, very good. What about this one? Wait, you wrote it last time. You wrote it last time. Where is your where is your iPad? Your dad's iPad.
my iPad is not have a
Okay, so oh, okay, you're charging it. I see. So we have forehead. Next one we have eyebrow. Eyebrow, she. Eyebrow. Eyebrows. Eyebrow, but if we're talking about these two, eyebrows. Okay, eyebrows. Okay, now what about this one? The hair above the eye, she. The hair above the eye.
is a
Eye, eye.
cat.
Okay, eyelash or eyelashes. Okay, eyelash, if just the side, eyelashes. Okay, now what about this?
Uh, chin,
Very good. What about this?
cheek, cheek,
Cheeks. Okay, yes, very good. Cheek. But if two cheeks, very good. See, there you have it. Okay, so what about this? This one.
finger,
Okay, yes, very good. Okay, there you have it. See? Now, next one, what about this?
uh,
Oh,
neck,
yes, we have neck. Neck. And what about here, she?
uh, shoulders,
Very good. Shoulders. Okay. What about this one?
arm,
Yes, very good. It's an arm. What about this one?
leg, or
Yes, it is leg. We often say it's leg, she, but if we'd be more specific, this part is the leg, she. This is the leg. This one is the thigh. Okay, but all in all, if we're just pointing to it all, it's leg. Okay, leg. Now, next one, she. What about this?
knee.
Okay, yes, very good. It's knee. Okay, so again, let us have a quick review. What are these? She?
Is shoulders,
Very shoulders. Shoulders.
shoulders,
Next one.
uh, knee,
Okay, yes, knee. What about this?
arm,
Okay, next.
uh, 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 neck,
Okay, very good. Neck. Okay, what about this? Knee and it all, she, all of it, it's
face, or
head.
head.
Yes, head or face. Okay, very good. She. Now let us proceed to the next one. Oh, so can you tell me what is the person doing here? She, what is she doing?
It was her head.
Okay,
Oh,
again, after
it's
is
boy or girl?
I I ask you what is she doing? So she is washing. She don't forget to add ing, okay? After is she is washing her hands. Okay. Now this one, she it's finger, right? But if we're talking about
Like
it all, fingers. Do you know how
this
to snap your fingers? She?
snap. Uh,
Like that. Snap. Snap. Oh, yes, that is snapping. Okay.
oh,
So,
I really like long and beautiful fingers.
what?
I like this long and beautiful finger.
Okay. So that is snapping fingers. She do you like snapping your fingers?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And it'll make a sound. Okay. Snap your fingers. What is she doing? What is she doing? She here. What is she doing here? She is Okay,
Snap her finger.
snapping her fingers. Okay, she is snapping her fingers. Okay, now next one. What is she doing here? What is it? It's okay. So it's lying. She lie on your back. Okay, lie on your back.
Right.
Yes, lie. Or you can just say she is lying on her back. Okay, she is lying. She on her back. That is what she's doing in here. She's lying. Now, next one. What about in here? What is he doing?
Is touch. Is
Touching.
touching his feet.
Okay, yes, very good. Is she touching his feet? What do you call these, by the way? These are fingers, right? Fingers. What about these?
Mm.
Do you know? What is it?
I I think I was studying. I don't
Okay. So we have toes. Toes.
know.
Yeah,
Oh,
toes. Now, one, talking about that. We have touch your toes. Okay, toes. Now, next one. Okay, so what is he doing?
he's touch, touching his uh toes.
Toes. Okay, yes, very good. What about her? What is she doing?
She she is lying on her back.
Very good. What is she doing?
She is washing her head.
Very good. What is she doing?
She's snapping her head.
Okay, yes,
A finger,
fingers,
finger,
fingers. Okay, and last one, what is he doing?
touch, touching his feet.
Okay, very good. There you have it. Now, where do you put a hat? Where do we put the hat? In our body, in our body. Where do you put a hat?
Um,
Do you Oh, you don't understand. Where do you place it?
the hat is on
Yes.
the foot.
Okay. Now, just like in here, you have to look at each clothing item sheet and you have to answer like I put it on my legs. Okay. Now again, where do you put a hat?
Uh, in I put Mm, put in my
Okay, I put the hat on my head. Okay, on my head. Next one, where do you put socks?
in my feet.
Okay, yes, very good. Where do you put gloves?
I put in my hair.
Okay, yes, in my hands. Very good. Now, let us have this one. What is this body part? Tell me the answer. Like, for example, it's her head. Okay, I think, oh, this is not the last one. So, can you tell me, what's this?
It is her head or face.
Okay, yes, very good. Now, what about this one?
Is her hair.
Very good. What about this?
Is her eyebrow.
Okay, eyebrows. Well done. What about these?
Uh, is her ears.
Okay, very good. Ears. Next one.
Is
Those
is
are, those are her.
those are her eyes.
Okay, yes, very good. Now, what about the hair above it? What about the hair above the eye, It's
It is her um uh uh
it.
eye eyelash.
Okay, yes, it's an eyelash. What about this?
Uh, 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 is her chin.
Okay, very good, Now, what about these? What do we call these? These are, these are, you remembered it earlier. We have chin. What about that? We have
Cheek. This
cheeks. Okay, cheeks. Very good, Next one.
uh is her is her
It's neck.
the neck.
Very good. What about these?
Is her shoulder. These are her shoulder.
Shoulders. Okay, yes,
Shoulder.
these are or those are her shoulders. Now, what about this?
These are her arm.
Very good. Now, what about these?
These are her hands.
Very good. Hands. What about if we're just referring to these?
These are her fingers.
Very good. What about this one?
is her fingers?
It's her thumb. It's her thumb.
Thumb.
Yeah.
One finger is
No, just this one, just these two. Thumb. Wait, let me translate it for you. Not just one finger, but these specific one.
Ngón tay cái.
Okay. Thumb. Okay. Thumb. Now, this one, we call it index finger. Index finger.
Ngón trỏ.
See, that's a lot, right? That's a lot, Okay, so that is index finger. Okay, so we have here again thumb. Okay, thumb. But if we're referring to both of it, thumbs. Okay, thumbs. Okay, index finger, these are index fingers. Okay, now what about this? This one, this one. What do we call it? This one. Do you know? This
no.
one. It's
I don't know.
oh, you don't know elbow. Elbow. Elbow.
Oh,
Yes.
it's
Do you get it now? Yes, that is what we call elbow. Now, next one, what about this?
is it, these are her legs.
Very good. Correct one. Okay, what about these?
These are her feet.
Very
These
good.
are her feet.
Yeah, these are her feet. Feet. That's correct. Feet. If it's two. But if it's only one, we'd say foot. Okay. So now what about these?
These are her toes.
Very good. Toes. What about this one, Do you know? Okay, so we call it ankle. Ankle.
Mắt cá chân.
Okay. Ankle. Ankle. So that's it, And if you want to know what this one is called, under our foot or under our feet, we call it sole. Sole. Yes, that is the sole.
Đế.
Okay, so that is it. That's a lot, right? That's a lot. And this one, we call it hips. Hips. Hips.
Hông.
Oh, that's so much now. That's a lot now, Okay, so again, let me see. Can you tell me again what this is?
It's elbow.
Yes, elbow. Oh, by the way, I haven't told you about this. What about this? What do you call it? This one. It's, do you know or no?
You know, in Vietnam.
Oh, you don't know it in English. Okay, so it's palm. Palm. Okay, wait, let me translate it so you'll know it if it's correct. Okay.
Oh, yeah, no, palm in this web is pen. In Vietnam, in
Oh,
in English,
different
this word is pen.
paint? Paint?
I don't know. It's because yes, but in Vietnam, this pen.
Oh, it's not paint. Just palm. Wait, let us try the other one.
Palm,
Palms. Is it still the same? Palm.
palm is under hand and big, but is this
Translated differently.
this in English is pen.
Oh, okay. Maybe it is an incorrect translation because there are words that mean not only one meaning, but they have a lot of meaning in English. Maybe that is why. But this one, it's what we call palm. Okay, palm. Okay, so that is it. It is a body part. So I know that's a lot to take in, so next meeting we'll review again and let me see if you can remember it all. So thank you so much for your time tonight, She. Goodbye and enjoy the rest of the night with your
Can
family.
I ask you one?
Yes, of
You
course.
you I think you know a little in Vietnam.
Yes. Just a little.
Do you want to go to the Vietnam?
Yes, in the future, but right now I am still saving money. I don't have money to travel to Vietnam yet, so maybe in the future,
But Philippines is not near Vietnam.
Oh, Philippines is just near Vietnam, Actually, it doesn't cost that much money, but it's just that traveling is not my priority right now. Traveling in another country is not my priority yet. So yes, maybe in the future, and if I'll go to Vietnam, I'll let you know so I can see you personally. Okay, so thank you so much, I'll see you again next meeting. Goodbye,